Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can create a report in Microsoft Dynamics 365. So let's get started. Creating reports in Microsoft Dynamics 365 allows you to organize business data, track performance, and generate insights that can help with decision-making. First, sign in to your Microsoft Dynamics 365 account using your Microsoft credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, navigate to the Settings area. From Settings, select Advanced Settings. This will open additional configuration options for your Dynamics 365 environment. Next, go to Customizations and select Customizations. In the Customizations section, click Customize the System. A new window or tab will open, giving you access to the system components and customization tools. On the left side, you'll find the Components menu. Here, you can browse different entities and system elements. To work with reports, locate and select the Reports section. This area contains existing reports and options for creating new ones. Click New to launch the Report Wizard. The wizard guides you through the report creation process step by step. You'll be asked to enter details such as the report name, the data source you want to use, and the information you would like the report to display. After configuring the required settings, review the report layout and make any necessary adjustments. You can customize the report to show the specific business information that is most important for your organization. Once everything is set up, save the report and run it to verify that the data is displayed correctly. You can always return later to edit or update the report as your reporting requirements change. Using reports in Dynamics 365 is a great way to analyze data, monitor business performance, and create meaningful insights for your team. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.